Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do a small introduction to Azure Custom Service. What is Azure Custom Vision Service? I'm sorry. So what is Custom Vision? So if you go to the documentation, you will see that it says it's an image recognition service that lets you build, deploy, and improve your own image identifiers. So what does it mean? Basically, it allows you to identify images and detect objects inside images. You categorize the objects or the images, and then you can predict objects or the image category based on new images. How does it work? Basically, you feed a lot of images to the service. You train it. You train a model, and then you start giving it new images that you haven't used part of the training, and it will give you the best predictions based on how you have already trained your model, and you can reuse those images to enhance your prediction. The more images you have, the better predictions you will eventually get. So in this case, this project basically what it's trying to do is having a list of products and identify the parts of the product. So the ingredients list and the nutrition facts list, the brand of the product, and the title of the product. Okay. One of the recommendations is that you actually have more than 50 images for each tab. Basically, you categorize it, and you select the regions, you train it, and then when you feed new images, it will give you the images or the best predictions of the regions. This is in the case of the object detection project type. There are two types of project types. One is image classification, which allows you to categorize an image, having it like one tag for a specific image or multiple tags for a specific image. The other project type is object detection, which is the one we are using here, that allows us to identify objects inside an image. How you add image? So basically you will get this panel, then this will be empty. You hit the add images and you add them, and then you start using them and drawing the regions, selecting down the regions, and inputting a tag or creating a new one. You see, so in this case I am going to delete it because I don't want to modify this one. You see that this one already have like the ingredients, which they are down here, and the nutrition facts, which are down here, and they have the same for a lot of other products, these ones. So nutrition facts are in there. So now what we are doing is we are going to use the prediction. See that I already have like 3 iterations. Each time you hit train, it will, you can choose like quick training or advanced training. Advanced training, you will specify how much. In the free service you actually have 1 hour per month, and in the paid service you have to pay around $20 per each computing hour. It's not that cheap if you do constant training, but if you don't, you can keep using the free service. Okay, now I have a prediction URL, and now I am going to use a product I haven't, an image I haven't used. So let's see, this one if is 5 to Actually, give me just a second. Let's try with, I have no more images, so let's try with this one. Yeah, the image has to be lower than 4 megabytes, or the service will, the endpoint will reject it, because it only supports a maximum of 4 megabytes per image. So let's see, that should reduce the size a little bit. I don't know how much. 5.1, that's not enough. I don't know how to do it from the open image, so I need to reopen it again. I don't use GIMPs, and I haven't used GIMP for years, so I really forgot how to use it. I'll reduce it to 85. This time reducing the quality just to lower a little bit the image size. Heck, it's still 4.6. So let's see a little bit. Let's try again. Overwrite. Let's see if that reduces this more. No. So I lower it to 80. Well, that should do it. Wow, still didn't. Um, it might not be a good idea to reduce the quality much more. Yeah, let's see. Still didn't. So I could cut it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to use another one. Let's see, I already used that one. I already used that one. This one, I think I haven't used it. Okay. Let's see if I can cut this one a little bit instead of downloading the quality. Um, Crop the content. Uh, Pencil. So let's see what I can do in here. Let's see if I can do a crop to selection. Image, crop to selection, and overwrite. I don't know how that will work, so let's see. That's the 2594, 2594. Okay, I already got it. Let's find it in here. I actually didn't check the size. 1.8. Okay, so it was the 2494, right? 2594. 2594. Yeah, you see it's this one. Hit open, click send, and it will send the image to my prediction endpoint, analyze the contents, and give me the best results for what I am sending. So let's see. It told me that there is a 2% chance that the nutrition facts table is in these coordinates and the image, right? Furthermore, you will see that if I go to predictions and to this iteration 3, which is the one I use, it will show me the image I just uploaded, and that's actually at 21.9%, sorry. And you will see that it actually had a very good, accurate information. So I can just confirm it, or I can extend it a little bit. So I'll select it, and I want to extend it a little bit because I know the table ends here. Actually, the table ends here. This one didn't find all of the information correctly because this table is a little bit different from the ones I already trained. Most are just a simple table with one column, but this one actually has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. But I know that for me all of this represents the nutrition facts. Now when I close this, you will see that it disappears because that actually is now classified as a training image, or is now a trained image. Now I can keep adding more images of different products, and it will give me the best results. And if they are not correct, I can modify them a little bit as I modify them, as I just modified this one, and keep training. And the more trainings we do, or the more images we have, the better results we will get. You will see that in this project I have like 64 images for brands and 7 images for ingredients, 102 for nutrition facts, and 75 images for the title tag or category. It is recommended that you have more than 50 images for each category, and actually before you can do the first training you need to have at least 15 images for each of the tags you have in your project. I hope this video has been useful. Please let us know in the comments how you will use custom vision in your projects. And remember, please subscribe to the channel and share it so more people can see our videos and I can keep making more. Remember, you go to this URL, hit subscribe, or you can hit the subscribe next to the videos. Thank you very much and have a good day.